folks, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. Today we are going to discuss about how to plan and organize event in Odoo Calendar module. I'm extremely eager to show you. I'm not going to waste your time. Let's directly move to the calendar module. So once you enter to the dashboard, here you can see a monthly view. And for planning an event, here we have two options. We can directly go to the new button, and while clicking there, here you will get a form and you can fill out the form. Or we have another way. We can easily specify the date and we can click on a particular day. So you will get another wizard. So here you will see some configure option, but you cannot customize this event, right? For that, here you can see an option which is called more options. So for that, here you will get what? Yeah, here you will get the same form that you can see while we clicking on a new button from the dashboard, right? So let's plan an event. Here I'm going to plan monthly sales review meeting. So let's keep the title. And under the title here you can see some configure options too. So first here you can see the start date. So we have already specified our date, and here you can see the duration. If you are conducting this particular meeting for a whole day, we can set it for all day. All right. If we are going to conducting this for an hour, couple of hours, we can also customize that. So for that, we can remove the toggle button here, and yeah, we can specify the time. So let me specify the time. Starting from the 10 to 11. Yeah, the duration is changed here. And here we have another option which you called recurrent. So recurrent means we can repeat this event for a time. Like while we checking this, there you will see some of the other options, right? So the first one we can repeat in which basis, like daily basis, monthly basis, weekly, custom. We can do that. And here we can see another thing which is called repeat on. So you can specify a day for that, and until for number of repetition you can also keep that. So here I'm not going to check the recurrent, and yeah, let's move to the location side and let's give a location that I'm giving conference room. And here you can see an option which is called video call URL. So by taking Odoo meeting, you can set up a URL. Here I'm not going to do that. So let's remove. And this side here you can see the reminders. So the reminder, which means notification sent to all attendees to remind of the meeting. So while clicking here, you will get a drop-down menu and some configure options too, like notification within 15 minutes, notification within 30 minutes, and so on. So here I'm going to set up this notification within 15 minutes. And here you can see the counts of attendees. So, the organizer is Michelle Admin, and here we have only one attendee, which is called Michelle Admin. And here you can see the attendee status also. So let's add the attendees. So Abigail Peterson, Eka Forrester, Amy Watson, and Anita Oliver too. So here I'm done with the attendees, and here you can see the status which is changed. The awaiting is 5. So here you can see that. And we have two smart button, which one is an email, which we can send email to attendees, and second one is SMS, like we can set SMS to attendees. And yeah, after that, here we have some additional option which we can specify using some tags. So here you can add some tags which is corresponding to this meeting. And yeah, what we have next, we have the privacy. So what do you mean by privacy? People to whom this event will be visible. So here you can specify that. Also, I'm not going to set that. And you can see the organizer here, and you can add the description corresponding to the event. After done with all of this option, we can save this manually, and let's move back. So after saving this manually, here you will get the calendar view and here you can see our planned event, right? So by clicking here, you will get what? Yeah, a beautiful information about this particular event. So here you can see the date and the time. Here you can see the location and what the attendees. Here we have the notification within 15 minutes. And the attendees can also put their status by using these options. So here you can see, Michelle admin is okay with this meeting. So there you can see a check on the. So we can also edit and we can change the configure option from the two. So yeah, so that's all about this video. So I hope you guys can easily plan an event using the calendar module. If you like this video, do subscribe, share with your friends and have a nice day. Thank you.